In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on BOTime. First, let's start by opening the BOTime application on your device. You will see the familiar interface, which is user-friendly and designed for ease of use. Locate the BOTime icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap it to launch the app. Once it opens, you will be greeted by your recent chats and contacts. This is the main hub for your conversations. Opening the app is crucial because it enables you to access all your blocked contacts and initiate the unblocking process. Next, you need to find the chat with the blocked contact. This might require a little scrolling if you have many conversations. Look through your recent chats or utilize the search feature at the top of the screen to quickly locate the person you want to unblock. Tapping on the chat will bring up the conversation window. This step is significant because it sets the stage for accessing the contact's profile where the unblocking option is found. Now that you have the chat open, tap the person's name or profile picture at the top of the chat window. This action will take you to their profile page, which contains various options related to that contact. You will notice their status, profile picture, and other relevant details. Accessing the profile is essential because it is where you will find the option to unblock the contact. It serves as a gateway to manage your interaction with this person effectively. Scroll down to the bottom of their profile. As you do this, take note of the information presented, which might include their phone number or other contact details. At the very bottom, you will see the option labeled Unblock or Unblock Contact. This is the critical point in the process. You are now ready to proceed with unblocking this contact, allowing them to reach out to you again. Next, tap on the Unblock option. This action will prompt a confirmation message to ensure you really want to proceed with unblocking this contact. It is important to be certain about this decision, as unblocking someone reestablishes your communication line. When you tap this option, you might see a brief loading animation indicating that the action is being processed. This ensures that your choice is registered in the system. Now confirm by tapping Unblock again. This final confirmation is a safeguard to prevent accidental unblocking. Once you tap it, the unblocking process is complete. You will likely see a notification or confirmation pop up, reassuring you that the contact is now unblocked. This means they can message and call you again, restoring your previous communication. In conclusion, the steps to unblock someone on BOTime are straightforward. You open the app, access the chat, and navigate it to the contact's profile. Then you scroll down to find the unblock option and confirm your choice. Each of these actions is vital for managing your contact list effectively. If you follow these steps carefully, you can easily reconnect with anyone you wish to unblock. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting on BOTime.